Here we have a Fluke multimeter. This one is a model 8010M. It does come with the power cord, but there is no test leads whatsoever, so I really don't know if this actually works or not. It appears to work. It is a Fluke. Like I said, right now it's plugged in with the cord, but it does have its own battery. Let me unplug it for a second here. So you can see, here's the plug. And as you can see, it appears to work. Like I said, this is untested. I found this in a storage auction. And like I said, it appears to work. Pretty good shape. It's not beat up or anything like that. It does come with the power cord, but does not come with the test leads. Here's what the bottom looks like. It's got the specs right there. Okay, here's the back side. And like I said, it is a Fluke. Let me show you the top side. You know, it's not all beat up or anything like that. Casing's not cracked. Oh, here, let me show you this. It looks like the original thing is still on there. The sticker, it says, "Do not remove, void if broken." So it doesn't look like anybody's ever been in it or anything like that. And like I said, I found this in a storage unit being sold as is. I do not know. You know, like I said, it appears to work. As you can see, it lights up. But I don't have any test leads to actually try and see if it's, you know, if it actually works or not. But it, you know, I don't see why it wouldn't. Thank you.